We're in for a windy weekend, and for some it'll be a wintry weekend also. Snow and ice potential hazards, particularly across western Scotland. This weather front introduced colder air, more weather fronts then toppling in through Saturday and spreading south, bringing clouds and mostly rain. Tightly packed isobars suggesting it's going to be windy throughout this weekend. Let's rewind and put the temperature profile on. You can see how this cold front introduced the colder conditions for Friday. You probably noticed that chill. These weather fronts will introduce milder air for a time for most of us on Saturday before this next cold front driving south again reintroduces that cold air across northern Britain on Sunday. Let's put some details on them, because we do have wintry showers across western Scotland through Friday evening. The snow could build up over some of the higher routes here, so the potential for some travel disruption. The showers further south, keeping going through the evening. Could be a little bit icy out there, but tending to fade during the night. So much of England and Wales becoming dry, certainly clear skies across much of the Midlands and eastern England. But then more wet and windy weather pushing into the northwest by dawn. The breeze will ease down a little bit during the early hours, but there'll be enough wind to stop temperatures falling too far. We'll drop down close to freezing in towns and cities, but most will hover above. Certainly in rural spots there, we'll probably be down to -1 or -2. On to the details then for Saturday. We'll start largely dry and fine, but cold across the Midlands, southern and eastern England. But cloud and rain will be pushing into Scotland. Not just rain either. There could be some snow mixed in, yes, over the hills, but even to lower levels, possibly for a time as it moves eastwards, before mostly turning back to rain. Before then, again, we'll see snow showers returning to northern Scotland in the afternoon. The wet weather moving into Northern Ireland, northern England, much of Wales, so dull and damp and blustery here, but much of southern England, eastern England staying dry. And it's in the south where we'll see the top temperatures quite a bit milder than Friday, but there will still be a strong wind blowing, which will temper the feel somewhat. And of course, northern Scotland, after we see temperatures early in the day of 5 or 6, come the afternoon just 2 or 3 Celsius. That's going to feel pretty cold. And with that cold air and the snow showers packing in, we have another Met Office warning in place that lasts through Saturday night and most of Sunday. The snow down to low levels, a couple of centimetres likely to build up in a few places, more than that over the hills. Further south, it's looking grey and damp across England and Wales to start with on Sunday, but brighter skies should develop, certainly over the Midlands, northeast England. There will be showers then coming and going. Those showers, as I've said, of snow across Scotland, more of a mixture for Northern Ireland of hail, sleet, but some snow, especially over the hills. In the south, it will be rain that we see as temperatures again here reach double figures. But again, further north, and that colder air returning, 5 or 6 at best, add on that wind, and it will once again feel closer to freezing. So a cold feel returning to much of the northern half of the country as we head into Sunday, and there are warnings in place. Make sure you keep up to date with those weather warnings. Subscribe to our YouTube channels and you never miss a forecast.